The F-35 was born from the Joint Strike Fighter (JSF) program, launched in the 1990s to create a multi-role stealth fighter. Lockheed Martin beat out Boeing in the JSF competition in 2001 with its X-35 prototype. It's the most expensive weapons program in history, projected to cost over $1.7 trillion over its lifetime. The F-35 uses stealth technology, including radar-absorbent materials and internal weapons bays. It has a glass cockpit with a panoramic touchscreen and voice command capabilities. The pilot wears a $400,000 helmet-mounted display system (HMDS) that lets them see through the aircraft.